Have you ever tried to visualize your dream life, hoping that it would manifest into reality, only to feel like nothing changed? You're not alone. Many people practice visualization, but don't experience the results they expect. They imagine, they dream, but the shift they're waiting for never seems to come. Here's the secret. It's not about simply visualizing, it's about visualizing correctly. When done the right way, visualization creates an immediate shift in your mind, body, and energy field. And that shift can lead to rapid changes in your life. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the art of visualization, how to do it in a way that truly transforms your reality, and why, when done right, the shift happens almost immediately. Before we get into how to visualize correctly, let's explore why visualization works in the first place. Visualization isn't just a spiritual practice, it's grounded in science. When you visualize something vividly, your brain processes that image as though it's actually happening. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a pioneer in bridging science and spirituality, explains that the brain doesn't know the difference between an imagined event and a real one. This means that when you visualize yourself achieving a goal or living a new reality, your brain creates new neural pathways that support that vision. As Albert Einstein famously said, imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Your imagination is the gateway to changing your reality because what you can see in your mind, you can experience in your life. So, if visualization is so powerful, why doesn't it always work? The truth is, most people make a few common mistakes when they visualize, and these mistakes block the shift from happening. Mistake 1: visualizing with doubt. The first mistake people make is visualizing their desires while still holding on to doubt. If you visualize yourself achieving a goal, but deep down you don't really believe it's possible, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. The doubt in your energy cancels out the power of your visualization. As Neville Goddard teaches, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. When you visualize, you must fully embody the belief that it's already done, that what you're seeing in your mind is not just a dream, it's your reality. Mistake 2: focusing only on the end result. Another mistake people make is focusing solely on the end result without feeling the journey. Visualization isn't just about seeing the outcome, it's about experiencing the emotions and sensations that come with it. When you visualize, you need to feel what it's like to live in that reality. The more real it feels in your mind, the more quickly the shift will occur. Mistake 3: using passive visualization. A lot of people visualize passively, like watching a movie in their mind. While that can be helpful, active visualization is far more powerful. In active visualization, you place yourself directly in the scene, engaging all of your senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. You're not just observing your dream, you're living it in your mind. Here's something crucial to understand about visualization. It's not just about creating images in your mind. The real magic happens when you pair those images with strong, positive emotions. Emotions are the key to manifestation. Why? Because emotions are energy, and they carry a vibrational frequency. When you feel joy, excitement, or gratitude during your visualization, you raise your vibration to match the reality you're trying to create. Think of your emotions as the fuel that powers your visualization. Without emotion, your visualization is like a car with no gas. The image might be clear, but it won't go anywhere. So when you visualize, ask yourself, how does this vision make me feel? If you don't feel anything, you're not connecting with it deeply enough. Let yourself get excited. Feel the gratitude as if it's already yours. As spiritual teacher Abraham Hicks says, the better you feel, the more in alignment you are. Your feelings are the strongest indicator of your alignment with the life you're trying to manifest. Now that we understand the science, the common mistakes, and the role of emotions, let's talk about how to visualize correctly so that the shift happens immediately. Here's a step-by-step guide to mastering visualization. Step 1: get clear on your desire. The first step is to get crystal clear on what you want to visualize. Your mind needs a clear, detailed picture to work with. So spend some time thinking about exactly what you want. The more specific you are, the more powerful your visualization will be. Let's say you want to manifest a new job. Instead of just imagining yourself at a generic office, get specific. Picture yourself in the exact office you want to work in, with the people you want to work with. Imagine the view from your desk, the tasks you're doing, and how fulfilled you feel. The clearer the picture, the better. Step 2. Engage all your senses. Next, engage all of your senses. Visualization works best when it's a full-body experience. Don't just see your dream. Hear it, smell it, touch it, and feel it. If you're visualizing yourself in your dream home, imagine the smell of fresh flowers in the living room. Feel the softness of the couch under your fingers. Hear the sounds of laughter in the kitchen. The more senses you involve, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. Step 3. Feel the emotions. This is the most important step. Feel the emotions of your desired reality. Imagine yourself living in that new job, home, or relationship, and ask yourself, how do I feel? Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude. Let those emotions flood your entire being, as if your wish has already been fulfilled. Dr. Wayne Dyer once said, "You'll see it when you believe it." And the key to believing is feeling. If you can feel it, you can manifest it. Step 4. Visualize regularly and consistently. Finally, consistency is key. The more you visualize, the more powerful it becomes. Make it a daily practice. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day of focused visualization can create incredible shifts in your energy and reality. So, why does the shift happen immediately when you visualize correctly? It's because visualization changes your internal state. And when your internal state changes, the external world has no choice but to follow. Your mind, body, and energy field are constantly communicating with the universe. When you visualize correctly, you're sending a powerful message to the universe. I'm ready for this. The shift happens first within you, within your thoughts, your beliefs, and your energy. And because the universe mirrors back what's happening inside of you, the external shift often follows quickly. As Napoleon Hill wrote in Think and Grow Rich, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. When your mind believes in the reality you're visualizing and your emotions align with that belief, the shift is immediate. You start to notice opportunities, you take inspired actions, and doors begin to open. So, the next time you sit down to visualize, remember these key principles. Get clear on your desire, engage all of your senses, feel the emotions, and be consistent. When you visualize correctly, the shift happens within you immediately, and the rest of your life will start to follow. Now, I want to hear from you. What are you going to visualize today? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's support each other in manifesting our dreams. Also, do not hesitate to come back to this video to share your successful manifestation stories. By doing so, you help others believe in their own inner power and capabilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos on manifestation, spiritual growth, and the laws of the universe. Until next time, take care, and let's keep on creating together.